all electrics work except Mr. Flash to pass button. So, 2 contacts. Gonna get the multimeter across them 2. Beep beep. Press the button. See if it works. I suspect it's because in there is green and furry. Bit of cleaning up, you know, like you used to do with points back in the day, and then that'll all be good, back working again. Yeah, sure. Let's turn this round onto horseshoe mode. And then let's have a stab. Come on, fingers, work. One finger holding, isn't it? Maybe. Now push the button. Oh, it's not frustrating at all. Okay. Let's keep the button pushed and then do the thing with the pointers. Oh my god! I need to be able to operate chopsticks. Let's swap hands, see if that helps. Okay, whether you can see that or not, that number 1 isn't changing. Mr. Switch. Zoom. Let's try and take Mr. Spring out and fire him. Let's call him Zebedee, shall we? Let's see if we can fire Zebedee across the room. Come on. Let's not snap anything now whilst we're doing it. Ooh, that's the contact. I'm just about to fire across the workshop. Can you see it? There. Yeah, because this will go back in again easy. Sure. Spring. Where did that go? Yeah. Oh, I heard it. There it is. Right. 1 contact. 2 contacts. Let's clean them up with what should we clean them up with? Everything. Some 800. Perfect. Let's see what we can do with this one. Mr. White. I've forgotten the name. That was going to be a joke then about, you know, crystal meth. Heisenberg, Mr. White, he comes on the edge, who connects to the spring, goes up to the point to come down to touch the middle bit, which connects to the brown, which goes to the thing, and goes off the boop, 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 onto the lights. So once all that's nice and clean again, it'll all work. Won't it? Yeah. If I can get it back together again, because this bracket goes somewhere, and so does this one. If you like brackets, check out Project Binky. Right. Right, that's the spring done. What should we call that? That's the tit done. Tit, spring, plunger. Plunger, ting, spring, tit, and plunger, spring, tit, plunger, string. Needs to go in there. Now then, let's see if you might learn some new swear words. Hey? That was easy. Okay. I have no doubt in my mind at all that that has not worked. Keep your eye on that number one. It needs to go to nothing. Oh! Come on, you can do it. Do it again. I think this is a cross between me not holding the things right on the pins. Come on. I'm not pressing the button right. Oh, that's awkward. I need like a third hand. Right, hold the thing, do the thing, and do the thing with the thing all in one. What? Anyway, that one's on the thing. Keep your eye on that number one. Off. Off. I think that's working. I'm trying to hold 14 things at once here. Okay, hold the plunger in the grip, stab the back buttons. The back buttons are making contact. When that's plushed, then that's good. Good enough for me. Right, let's put it back together. Okay, so that wasn't fiddly at all. Little brackety went in there to hold the switch in. And then little brackety went in there to hold the wires back in nicely. And then on this side we got the the crunchiest of indicator switches. Huh. Ooh. So I think we'll feed that with some angel pith. Okay, so that's back onto there. Because this has been out in this. Can you see? I've got some angel piss on there. That's better. Because this has been out in the sunshine for so long, that's gone white. Now, have you ever seen that thing with a blowtorch and the plastics that bring it back to life again? You know, I won't put the link up here in the corner. Nobody ever does that, even though they say they will. So I'm not going to do that. But I might just flash that with a blowtorch later, see if it comes back around, or melt it off onto the floor, and I've just wasted my time. Anyway, let's plug this dude in to this dude over here. All one-handed, obviously, because I haven't got a camera person. Come on, right. Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, that's fixed, by the way. That was a bright idea. Yeah, you saw what I did then. Where do you want to be? And press. I didn't press it. Oh, I did press it. Don't pass. Pass. No. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. You know, highway code says, danger, I am here. Look at me. Warning, I'm here. Does not mean, come on out. Anyway, bleep bloop what you think about that down in the comments. And that's another thing ticked off the list. Oh yeah, I cleaned that as well. That's looking better. Still got no forks. Once you've seen that the KFC man is just a it's just a tiny stick man with a massive head, you can't stop seeing that.